freedom of speech, but they can't speak. Some of you are assuming that simply because the FBI is involved, all evidence and facts presented are automatically flawless. That is not always the case. Investigations anywhere in the world is tested, corrected, and in some cases rejected in court. Some of us must let go of that inferiority mindset and say, but we can't want to not just be solid. That is not always the case. Ghana for Nigeria for Senegal for ya, any Chinese for India for America for ya, and the Ivy League ya, you try more class, they be. You have to believe in yourself, else no one will. Just that you don't have to become overconfident or arrogant. You have to be confident in raising law and critical thinking. Under sound assessment, any person, white or black or otherwise, can question, challenge, and test the status quo. Progress would only come to Ghana if we, the youth, think clearly, ask the right and necessary questions, and insist on fairness. At least that is how strong societies are built. Look at this guy, Larry Laff, was charged for hacking high-security U.S. government networks like NASA and the Department of Defense. So that case, extradition case now. How did it go? I'm not going to do the heavy lifting for you. Go and read it yourself. Look at this guy, Kim.com. One of the longest extradition cases in history. And also saying, charged for copyright infringement and wire fraud. How did it go? I'm not supporting cybercrime. All I'm saying, and I'm quoting from my previous video, that responsible reporting and arrest requires verification and not assumption. Say any punish show car or show cash or show saying that he must be into cyber fraud. And then the youth can't make money in the country again. You are saying that because the guy is this, because the guy is showing this, he's into cybercrime. When you are brought before a competent court of the jurisdiction, can you prove? The people that even brought him are struggling to make proofs. Can you attest before a competent court of the jurisdiction that this is his line of work? If you are presumptuous most of the time, you are 100% wrong all the time. Look at this guy, Richard Odwoya. He was running a website called TV Shack, where you go there, link, now I video. So extradition case saying. Later on, it was found in court that the case was incorrectly categorized. You are not supporting cybercrime. All I'm saying, and I'm quoting once again from my previous video, that justice must be guided by fact, law, and fairness, and not conjecture or public pressure. Let's listen to the guy shortly and tell me what you think. Hashtag YPGG, hashtag Youth for Proper Governance Ghana, and hashtag Hope in Action. If today is your first time here, kindly click the follow button, like, leave a comment, and share with other social reformers. Thank you. Let's listen.
It was early in the morning, I think around 6 or 7, and I was already awake. I just got a knock at the door, and 2 City of London police and 2 American ICE agents in leather jackets. And they I can't remember what they said exactly, but they just mentioned the website. So then it dawned on me, and I got all confused about the situation. And then
you hear him? So let's not arrest people because on speculations and forcing them to accept identities that are not theirs. In my previous video, I told you, say, only bank account, only Ghana card, only Momo account. Probably maybe driver's license, no.